Welcome to Chick-fil-A. This is Tamia speaking. How may I serve you?
I'd like a 12-count nugget meal with a sweet tea, please.
This total is $6.32. It'll be our pleasure to serve you at the window.
Oh no, where's the Chick-fil-A sauce? Mistakes. We've all made them, even when it's something we've done 100 times before. So you learn, you correct, maybe sometimes you overcorrect. This is me overcorrecting. What am I gonna do with all this sauce? Some solutions are simple, like using the extra sauce as dip for your crackers, or your pizza, on a bacon cheeseburger, and yeah, maybe even sushi. Some solutions require a little more finesse. In my kitchen, I finessed the sauce situation by adding it to some of my family's favorite foods. For my easy egg salad, I started by dicing a few hard-boiled eggs, adding chopped dill pickle chips, a dollop of Duke's, blend in some crumbled bacon, then add the Chick-fil-A sauce to taste. And voila, it adds just the right kick. And here's a value add. After making egg salad, use the crushed shells in your garden. They're a natural fertilizer, and it will deter slugs and snails when you encircle your plants with them. When I think of adding value and problem solving, I can't help but think of Chicago Title. Whether it's a simple solution or one that requires finesse, we've got the experience and know-how to help you take it next level. Speaking of next level, you have got to try Chick-fil-A sauce in your chicken salad. Bon appetit!